The fierceness between Max Verstappen and Lewis Hamilton on track is ramping up with every passing race. They have been very close on track on various occasions where a contact between them was inevitable. Now Lewis Hamilton has talked about such instances, and it seems like Max Verstappen hasn't taken Lewis's comments in a kindest manner. All of this in this video, stay tuned. Lewis began explaining, I think I have done well to avoid all the incidents so far, but we have got 19 more races to go, and we could connect. I think perhaps Max feels he has a lot to prove. I am not necessarily in the same boat there, and I am more long term. It's a marathon, not a sprint sort of mentality, which is ultimately why I have the stats that I have. Max's reply on Lewis's comment. I have nothing to prove, and avoiding contact, I think it goes both ways. So we have done well, that's true. But we raced hard. We have avoided contact both sides. So let's hope we can keep doing that and keep being on track and racing hard against each other. Ferrari are very close to being a genuine threat. Carlos Sainz said, I was used to a different car here last time when I was in Monaco with a very different balance, and now I arrive here and the balance with the Ferrari I am trying to chase here in Monaco is quite different. We definitely look very close to being a genuine threat, but it's nice to see at least that we are very close to the front and that we are actually playing around at the front. It's encouraging for the team, and there is some positive signs that the car in the corners is not that bad. Hamilton's 2010 Turkish GP winning McLaren to be auctioned. The MP425A will be a part of single lot auction on Saturday, July 17th, with the car now expected to fetch around $5 to $7 million when it goes under the hammer. News of Andy Cowell joining Red Bull are untrue. News that surfaced out few weeks back claiming reports that Andy Cowell is all set to join Red Bull powertrains has been ruled out by Horner. But I can say I was surprised to read a story this morning that apparently Andy has agreed to join us because that isn't the case, said Christian Horner. Hey guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.